Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Albert's Autoland North in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have this 2020 Porsche Macan. This one is your base Macan, not the S, but still plenty of fun. And that is for sure. This one has aftermarket sunroof. Works nice and well. Oh, Porsche, you do a good job with your materials. Auto start stop, you're off. There we go. A little bit lower. And we're good to go. Seven-speed dual clutch made it to a turbo 4. Honestly, you want more power, you have the S. But where this is at, it's perfect. Do actually get some burbles from the exhaust too. They're not nearly as loud as they are in the 911, but again, think of clients versus actually even the GTS, they're much louder. But think about who buys this car. It's not people, you know, looking to have a GT3, although some Macan owners might also own a GT3. That's what I love about this car. It's just the variety of people who would want to own it. Even though I've driven a GTS, that's still plenty of power. Alright, so let me sum up this car here in one statement. If I were to buy an SUV, it would be a Macan. Done. They are that good, guys. Honestly. PDK is the best transmission out there, I'm telling you. Man. Sorry, I'm playing with the blow-off valve. But, see, I'm a Porsche guy through and through. I think these are some of the best driving vehicles on the market, especially under 100,000. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.